Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinwe here. Today I am making a wig, and this is not my first time of making a wig in this channel, and it's a sew-in. I'm also using an 8 inches closure, and the weave-on I'm using is by Noble Classic, and this is a Perm Yaki. I am using 18 inches and also 14 inches. Yes, and you can see the packaging. I love it. It's beautiful. It's a straight hair, and like I said, this is not my first time of making a wig in this channel. I'm going to leave the link of the previous videos in the description box because they're very detailed. So I started off by securing the closure, which you can see. First I had to pin it down so that it doesn't move on the center of the net, and then I'll just sew it round. I will not be talking too much in this video because this is something that I have done over and over, so I will just leave you to enjoy this video. Okay, so I am done with sewing the closure round. You can see how neat it is, and I finished sewing the entire weave on, and I had to stretch it. Yes, I had to stretch it, and you can see that it's taking the heat very well, even though the stretcher is not so hot. Yes, and I went in with my hand dryer to bring down the closure to make it as flat as possible. Yeah, so it's looking beautiful. I love it already. I love the texture of the weave on. It is it is soft. Yes, it is soft, and I love the packaging. It's very colorful, and you can see I'm done with the hair, and it's looking all beautiful. I went in with my styling mousse as well, yes, to lay it properly, and I applied concealer on the parting to make it very obvious. I love it, looking so beautiful. Yes, so please start leaving me your comments and just tell me what you think already. I love it. Yes. And I kind of love straight hair a lot. Yes, I love straight hair a lot. Yeah. Okay, so this is how the hair turned out, and I love it. I love it a lot. When I got this hair, I actually felt it was the synthetic kind of hair, but it's not the obvious kind of synthetic, because it's synthetic hair that can take heat. It's something, because from the review here, I have the pack. This is Noble Classic, and it says 100% high temperature fiber, and here at the back it says it can take heat. You can curl it, you can stretch it, you can wash it, and all of that. So I felt, okay, let me try it and apply heat. You saw in the video that I stretched it, and it took the heat so well. Yeah, so I love it. I love it a lot. I like any hair that I can actually stretch. So this is beautiful. And I tried to curl it, but it didn't take the curl. So maybe my curler didn't do couldn't do it, yes, but I like the fact that I could stretch it. So it's beautiful. I know you love it. Yeah, so basically that is it. So we're just going to do a kind of adjustment to the side, so you see what the side looks like. So I'm just going to shift it. Yeah, now this is the side. So I like it, I love it. So leave me your comments and just tell me what you think about the hair, and which style do you really prefer, the one at the side or at the center. Alright, so I'll see you again. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you'll be the first to get it. Okay, and share the video as well. Alright, bye, and compliments of the season. Merry Christmas. Bye.